Let me ask you something. What do you do after you slap a man on live TV, in front of the whole planet, and then spend years trying to fix your image, and people still don't buy it? Now imagine you finally go on tour, post a video saying, "My favorite part of tour is seeing you all up close," and the internet starts asking, "Bro, are these fans even real? Or did you just ask AI to create people who love you?" This is the situation Will Smith is in right now. And I'm going to be honest with you from the start. I didn't like what he did to Chris Rock. But today, I'm not here to cancel him. And I'm not here to defend him either. I'm here to ask a simple question. Who is Will Smith now? And why does it feel like every move he makes just makes things worse? Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going deep into Will Smith. Not just the slap, not just the memes, but what's happening right now with this AI fake crowd drama, and what it says about fame, pressure, ego, and a man who just can't escape his own image. Let's start from the beginning of the fall. On the 27th of March 2022, Will Smith walks on stage at the Oscars and slaps Chris Rock in front of the whole world. We've all seen it. We've all replayed it. We've all argued about it. Some people said he was defending his wife. Other people said, "No man, that was pure ego and lack of control." The Academy bans him from the Oscars for 10 years. He apologizes, he cries, he posts videos, he talks about trauma, childhood, pressure. But the truth, the slap became bigger than his whole career. For a lot of people, he's not Will Smith the legend anymore. He's the guy who slapped Chris Rock. And look, I'll be real with you. I didn't like what he did to Chris. I don't care how hurt you are, how angry you are. Walking on stage and slapping someone is not the way. But I'm also not living his life. I'm not in his head. So today, I'm not going to sit here and pretend I'm the judge. I just want to understand why this man keeps making decisions that look more and more desperate. After the slap, Will kind of disappeared for a while. Then slowly, he starts coming back. YouTube apology video, interviews about healing, new movie talks. And then in 2025, he drops a rap album based on a true story, his first in 20 years. The album was supposed to be his "I'm still here" statement, talking about the slap, about pain, about being human, but it didn't land like he hoped. It got bad reviews, it didn't really blow up in the charts. So imagine this. You're Will Smith. You used to be the most likable guy on the planet. Family movies, rap hits, talk shows, memes. Everybody loved you. Now, you're the guy people make think pieces about. Should we forgive him? Should we not? Everything you do feels like PR. Even when he breathes, people are like, is this an organic breath or a PR-approved apology breath? And then, we arrive to this year's drama. Will goes on tour in Europe. He posts a video on Instagram and YouTube with the caption, "My favorite part of tour is seeing you all up close. Thank you for seeing me too." It shows him on stage, crowds screaming, homemade signs, people crying, hands in the air. Beautiful, right? Except, the internet paused the video, zoomed in, and started asking, why does this guy have 6 fingers? Why do the faces look melted? Why does this sign blur into someone's hand? People started saying that this is AI. These fans are not real. This is a fake crowd. And once the internet smells AI, it's over. They turn into forensic scientists. They were posting screenshots, red circles, zoomed fingers, like they're investigating a crime scene. The comments were brutal. Imagine being this rich and famous and still needing AI crowds. What kind of sheeple do you think we are, bro? You can't be this embarrassing. And you know what? This hit a nerve because we're in a time where musicians are afraid AI will replace them. Artists are fighting to protect their work. Everyone is worried about fake content, fake people, fake everything. So when a guy like Will Smith, who is already in a fragile place with the public, is accused of using AI to fake hype for his tour, it doesn't just look like a bad edit. It looks like a metaphor. My real life is not enough anymore. So let me ask AI to invent people who still love me. How did Will respond? Did he come out serious and explain everything? No. He posted another video, this time with a crowd of AI cats. Full concert, audience with cat heads. People laughed. Some said, "Okay, that was funny." Others said, "You're just mocking the criticism." And this is where it gets interesting, because now we have two layers. The original video, which people say looks fake, AI edited, desperate. The cat video, which is him joking about it like, yeah, it's AI, whatever, here's some cats. So my question is this a man who's honestly trying to come back? Or a man who doesn't know what to do anymore, so he's just playing along with the joke? Let's step back for a second. Forget Will Smith as a celebrity. Think about him as a person. He reached the top of Hollywood, won an Oscar, destroyed it all in one moment of anger, got banned from the Academy for 10 years, became a meme, lost a lot of the love he used to have. Then he tries to rebuild. Apologies, deep talk about healing, new music, a world tour. And now, videos trying to show, look, people still love me. The crowds are crazy. Is it really about AI? Or is it about validation? Is it about a man who doesn't believe the real crowd is enough unless the video looks perfect, cinematic, packed, almost unreal? And that's where it hits me. We talk so much about social media and perfection, but this is the extreme version. A man who already has everything, still needing more proof that people accept him again. Now let's connect this back to the slap. Because I know many of you are like me. You can watch his movies, you can even enjoy his music, but somewhere in your brain there's this small voice saying, yeah, but what he did to Chris was not okay. And I agree. Violence is not okay. On that stage he was wrong. Full stop. At the same time, he apologized. He got banned. He lost a lot. He talked about it again and again. So now we're all stuck in this weird space. Some people say, enough, let the man live, forgive him. Others say, no, he showed us who he really is, I'm done. And I think this new AI controversy is like gasoline on that fire. Because if you already don't trust him, seeing a possibly fake crowd doesn't help. If you still love him, you'll say it's just bad editing, not a big deal. So I'm not going to tell you to love him, and I'm not going to tell you to cancel him. But I will ask you this. Do you feel like Will Smith is genuinely trying to grow, or just trying to control the way we see him? You know, the more I think about this story, the less it becomes about Will Smith, and the more it becomes about us. We live in a time where one mistake can follow you forever. One moment of losing control can erase years of good work. And at the same time, we also live in a world where everything can be faked. Followers, crowds, faces, emotions, even apologies. So here's the real question. What do we actually want from people? Do we want them to be perfect, so we can put them on a pedestal and then enjoy knocking them down? Or do we want them to be human, to mess up, to apologize, to heal, even if it's messy and uncomfortable to watch? Maybe Will Smith is a man who did something terrible and is now trapped between guilt and ego. Maybe he's just playing the PR game. Maybe he really is trying and failing in public. I don't know. But I do know this. If we demand perfection from everybody, we're all going to fail that test. And if we accept fake over real, then AI, crowds, and polished lies will replace real people and real stories. So next time you see a perfect comeback, ask yourself, is this real growth? Or just really good editing? Thank you all for watching. Tell me in the comments, do you think Will Smith deserves a real comeback or not? And what did you feel when you saw that AI crowd video? I read what you write. And if you want more deep human stories like this one, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who'll enjoy it, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.